guys like Easter eggs? Whose is that one? Get it! Get Malcolm. What's in there? What? Get it! Malcolm. What'd you find? Go get an egg, Alexi.
Go to Channel 1, select movies, then select Watch to Win.
What's in there, Lex?
What was that like? What?
Did you get it? Did you get
What's
it?
your strongest memory of him?
Malcolm's getting them
Something
all.
real. Something nice.
Okay. Okay. So he'd come in the door.
He just steps on
And
him.
I'd be up reading past my bedtime, and he'd catch me, and he'd hold up his hands like this, and say really slowly, creaked over, he'd go, I'm God.
Can you figure it out, George?
And then he would
Can't you figure it out? Huh?
Wait, that's what he used to do to me. I think I got it. Tell me something else.
why this an interest?
I don't know.
You missed it. It came out already. Right here.
That everything
There it
I know,
is.
I might know from you telling me. So,
Did Al get any?
No, he's clueless. Or George.
Aren't you going to get it, Lex?
Buster's.
No, I know, we'll talk later, I promise. I gotta go. This is good, this is really good, this was helpful. Oh, wow. What is wrong with you?
Uh-oh.
Hey,
There you go.
That's it.
you told him, didn't
Oh,
you?
gone. Al, didn't you get any? Al,
You told him.
Al, didn't you get any? No? You weren't smart enough, huh? Yeah, too bad. Next year.